Alright guys, so we're going to be going over and doing page 91 together. So, let's start up here at the top. Just like we've done before, you're going to read these words and try and put in the different vowel sounds to see which one makes the word. So I'm going to show you an example and do this first one with you, and I'll let you do those other ones by yourself. So I'm going to first take this first sound. I'm going to go rrr. And I'm going to put in the first vowel, rep. Now that doesn't sound like anything I know. So I'm going to try the next one. Rip. Now rip sounds like something I know. So I'm going to circle the vowel I and then write it on the line because I'm making the word rip. Then I'm going to go on to the next one and figure out which vowel goes between T and B. Go ahead and try and put the O sound between it and then the U and see which one makes a vowel or makes a word. And then move on to the next one. Now pause your video, work those two by yourself, and then come back and check your answers. Alright, so when we put the O in there, we got the word tobe. Tobe is nothing. But when we put U in there, we got tub. Is tub something? Yes, it is. So you should have already circled the U and written U on that line. Go on and see, go on to the next one. When you put the E on the line, you should have gotten bend. When you tried the U, you should have gotten bund. Now which one is a word? Bend or bund? Good, bend. You should have already circled the E and written the E on the line. Now the next part down here is dictation. So I'm going to give you a blend and I need you to write the blend on the line. Don't forget to label your vowel as long or short. I'm going to say it 3 times and then we'll come back and check all of them. The first one is raw. R, ah, raw. Listen carefully. R, ah, raw. Last time. Raw. R, ah, raw. Don't forget to label that vowel as long or short. Once you have raw written, drop down to the next line. On the second line, you're going to write meh. 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 Listen carefully. I'm saying Remember, this one didn't listen, so he says Make sure you know what vowel that is and label it as long or short. Drop down to the third line, and I need you to write nah. 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 Last time, make sure you're listening very carefully. Nah. Nah. Label them all as long or short. Let's come back and check it. The first one is raw. You should have written R, O, and it's short sound, so it has a smile over it. Raw. The next one is meh. M, E. And it's short, so it has a smile over it. And the last one is nah. N, A. It's short, so it has a smile over it. Nah. Now you're going to come over here and I need you to read all of these words and then match it to the picture. As you go, look for special sounds like CK or any twins you might see. So if I read this word, I'm saying sock, sock, sock. So I'm going to draw the line to match the picture sock. Now I need you to read the rest of these words. Draw a picture to match. Draw a line to match the picture. You have bell, gift, cup, and ants. Go ahead and pause your video now and then go do that by yourself. Alright, let's check what you did. So the next one says up, cup. So it's this little coffee cup over here. Make sure you drew your line to cup. The next one is bell, bell. Put your finger on the bell. Does your word bell match up to your picture of the bell? Good work. Now make sure if you're checking and you find out that you accidentally missed one, it's okay. Just try and fix it. Next one we have ants, ants. Make sure your line goes to the picture of the ants. And the last one is gift, 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 gift. That is what yours should look like so far. Down here at the bottom, it says to circle the consonant that completes each word. So you're going to fill in the missing letter for each of these words. So I'm going to go p, a, pa, pam, Pam. Now it's capitalized, so I'm thinking it's a name. I have Pam or Pav. Now I don't know what a Pav is, but I know Pam is a nickname for Pamela. So I'm going to circle the M and write it on the line. Go ahead and do the rest for each of these. Read the blend, fill in the letter that completes it. Circle the letter, write it on the line, and then come back and check. So go ahead and pause now and do that by yourself. Alright, so when I read this, I have lair. Don't know what that is, so I'm going to move on. Leg. I know what a leg is, so circle the G and write it on the line. Alright, now when I went on to the next one, I have bow. Don't know what that is, so I'm going to try the next one. Bus. Did you circle the S? Nice work. Make sure you also wrote your S on the line when you did it by yourself. Next one is hit. Well, I think I know what that is. But I'm going to go ahead and try the next one anyway. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to go back to the hit, because I know what hit is. So make sure you've already circled your T and have your T written on your line. Next one is cag. I don't think so. Can. I know what that is, so I'm going to circle the N, write N on the line. Can. Good. Now this last one, the J is capitalized, so I think I'm looking at a name again. So I have John. Well, that's a name, but let me try the other letter just in case. Jop. No, I think John's the best choice, so I'm going to circle that in. Make sure when you did it, you wrote it on the line. Good work, guys.